Hello friends. Welcome to our channel. Today we will reveal to you a recipe that helps to increase your strength and endurance in bed. It's also good for erectile dysfunction in men as well. Kindly subscribe if you are new to the channel. We love you all. Wash and cut 2 fresh carrots. Wash and peel off skin of 1 tangerine fruit. Pour both the carrot and peeled tangerine into the blender and blend thoroughly. Extract the juice from the blended mixture and add 1 tablespoon of honey. Drink this before breakfast every morning for faster results. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in our next video.